Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a different video. I'm just trying to get like a variety of stuff on my channel, you know what I'm saying? So, I did a poll, and even though this was the more or less preferred one, I'm still going to do it because some people wanted to see it. It's the what's on my iPhone. I will be doing a morning routine, which is what I like compared it to, but I'll probably film that tomorrow. But anyways, so we're gonna get started with that. It probably won't take that long. My phone's not that cluttered. So, but I just thought I'd share it with you just to see if I have anything that would be interesting for you guys to know. Like I said in my previous video, please make sure to ask some questions for me because I am doing a Q&A soon. So DM me on Instagram or just comment on a video of mine, a question you have for me, and I will answer it for you. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, gotta start screen recording. Okay, I think it's working. Okay, so this is what my home screen looks like. Hopefully it's working. Oh shoot. Hold on, let me make sure it's working. Okay. Okay, so we got my music and my messages, Safari and phone on the bottom. This is a picture of my niece and my sister and me at church. Then we have my social media up top. We got Instagram, Tumblr. So here's my Instagram. This is actually my main account. If you want to follow me on my main account, here it is. Then, let's see. That is a crazy account that nobody is allowed to follow. This is my beauty account. If you're not following me, make sure to follow. Following you back, girl. Probably don't even watch my channel, but that's okay. Alright, so we're exiting out of there. Then we got Tumblr, which my Tumblr is really not that interesting, I swear. But, you know, you can check me out on there if you want. We got Snapchat. Yeah, I haven't like given out my Snapchat, but you know, if you want to add me on there, here it is, Sam A, way too many freaking letters. Then we got Pinterest, which I really don't get on Pinterest a lot anymore, but here it is. I don't even remember what my username is, just look me up. Sam Trout. I don't know what my freaking... Oh, it's Samantha JT. So, yeah. There you go. Then we got Facebook. I, like, literally don't get on it. Twitter, same thing. Samantha JT. I think I put that in my YouTube description. So, yeah. There's my Twitter. Then we got GroupMe, which is, like, group messages. Time Hop. If y'all don't have this app, it's so funny because you just get to see some embarrassing things. Oh, my gosh. Those are modeling pictures. But yeah, it just tells you what you post. You can choose. It'll show you pictures from however many years ago. And yeah, that's that. I don't really know what's going on here though. But yeah, so that's that. Then we got Tinder, LOL. I like never get on it. Sarah Raw. I don't know if you guys know what this is, but it signed me out. Basically, it's just where people can like literally send you like random messages and they're anonymous and you have no idea like who they're from. Wattpad. Oh my gosh. This is like, okay, I literally haven't gotten on this since I got my new phone. You can like write your own books in a way and you can read other people's and it's super cool. Like you should definitely check it out. Like you can like make it public or private if I remember correctly. And it's super cool. Like, I used to use it all the time. Like, you literally don't have time. But yeah, you can read, like, short stories that people write. It gives you, like, a different genre. Like, you can pick your genre. It's really cool. Facebook Messenger. Who cares? Then I have Pixmix Lite, which I don't use because I just use Layout now. Oh, I guess I did use it. Oh. Well, you can just, like, pretty much... It's kind of like Layout, but it gives you, like, the freedom to, like, you know, kind of make them how you want. Make it how you want. So... It's a nice little app. It's free. Camera Plus. I like literally don't use this anymore, but it's usually you can add pictures and like edit it on there. Layout. I think everybody has this for Instagram. Photo Vault. Literally don't have anything in there, but it just keeps some pictures private. Perfect 365. Sometimes I use this, but not really. But it kind of just people go too far with it sometimes, so you don't want to like go overboard, but. Okay, I have no idea what this is. Oh, I wonder if you guys can see this. I don't know what Clips is. Can somebody tell me what that is? iMovie, Square Ready, which I think you guys know what all that is. Visco, I think, is that how you say it? I don't really use it. Rotate and flip. That's if I want to use it to like flip a video, I think. I don't know. And then Facetune too. I literally don't use this. I don't really like it, but yeah. I have 31,000 emails. I don't read my emails, as you can tell. Then I got my settings. Calendar, pictures, literally 4,000 pictures. Yay! I have way too many pictures from YouTube. So yeah. Okay, then we got my camera, maps, clock. I don't know. I don't really have that many alarms right now. My notes. That's like all my sorority information. This is me trying to add up my bills. That's my YouTube, makeup I want to get, stuff like that. This is literally random information in my weekly schedule, even though I don't follow it. These are children names I like. I don't know why I keep that on here. I'm not having children anytime soon. This is like my workout information, like how much weight I use and stuff like that. If y'all want to know what I do to work out, let me know. Then we got, oh, this is irrelevant now. I'm gonna delete it. And then these are like captions that I really like, even though they're kind of dumb. Okay, moving on. We got my contacts, weather, calculator, FaceTime. This is my bank, like online mobile. Stocks, because I do invest. So, and that also has to do with investing, Charles Schwab. And then we got iTunes, App Store. We got school apps. So I have Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Drive, Dropbox. This is just for Mizzou, like all my stuff on there. If you guys like a good app for studying, this Khan Academy app is actually really good for like anything. If you can see, if you need help in like anything, it will literally help you. So I highly recommend it if you're like having trouble in a class. This is really good if you want to like add up points and like use them for coupons. I honestly don't use it, but it's like actually a pretty good idea. Microsoft OneNote. So I have this on my laptop because I don't feel like buying Word for my Mac, so I just use OneNote, which is pretty, it's okay for taking notes. I wouldn't recommend using it for writing a paper, but yeah. We got shopping. If you guys do not have Poshmark or Mercari, you need to get it because Poshmark, you can sell and buy used clothes, makeup, whatever. This is what I'm selling. Literally been on there for forever, but I mean, I've bought stuff off here before too. I can see what I bought. Oh, I bought my Morphe palette, brushes, mascara, boots, more boots. I mean, I've literally just bought like everything on here. So check it out. If you haven't done it, you can get some stuff for really good prices. We got Mercari, which is the same thing, but it add on like literally everything else. Like you can get more than just clothes and everything. So let me see if I've bought anything. Oh wait, that's what I'm selling. Oops. Oh, okay. Oh, I bought some mugs on there. Grey's Anatomy phone case, that was a gift. A wallet. Some stuff to hang in my apartment. Yeah, just bought a lot of nice stuff on there. So check it out if you haven't checked it out. We got Pink Nation. Where to Get is also a really good app. I haven't gotten on it in a long time, but like you can scroll through and find like really cute clothes and you click on it and it'll tell you like where you can buy it. So like all those cute little clothes you see people like modeling in. Lanello, honestly, I don't really use this, but I think it's a really good app to go shopping on too. Ipsy, I literally don't use that. I've heard like a lot of stuff about them having fake products, so I don't really use it. And then we have Hush, which good makeup, good dupe makeup. If you haven't tried it, download the app, really cheap. Extra stuff, this is literally like everything that I don't use, but I think every iPhone literally has it. So sometimes I read the news. I got it like personalized to my taste. This is how I tell how people unfollow me. So yeah, that's about it in there. Free prints. If you guys don't have this app, you can literally get free printouts for photos, and I think you only have to pay for shipping, and you can get up to $85 a month. So it's a really good deal actually, which is how I like have some pictures hanging up back here if you were wondering. Hulu, Ticketmaster. That's where I buy all my like concert tickets. So. Then we got Plants vs. Zombies, which is just a stupid game. U-Noodle. I actually use this to make my, see, you can see right there, that was my last YouTube cover, so that's just how I use it. I think it's free, so I've had it for forever. But then we got Music Player, which I used to use this when I couldn't find music on Apple, but I don't really use it anymore. Google Maps, Design a Home. This is so freaking fun. If you guys don't have this and you get bored one day, just literally play it. It's so fun. Oh, no. Not now. Okay, preparing. You can literally just design a freaking home. And it's really, like, realistic, too. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah. You can just, like, pick whatever you want. It's really cool. But anyways. Slither, that's another game. Mario Run, another game. Pixel, I literally play this with my mom. It's kind of like Trivia Crack, but yeah, I'm pretty sure everybody knows what Trivia Crack is. Piano Tiles, another game. Netflix, YouTube. Hello, friends. Hello, hello. Alright, then we got Skype. I really don't use that. This is another way you can get coupons if you just like watch little videos and stuff. If you want to download it, it's pretty cool. Looktastic. My mom gets free gift cards from there sometimes. ESPN, because I like to keep up with a lot of sports. Octoly, this is how you can get free makeup, is what I've heard, but you have to have 1,000 subscribers, so I'm not there yet. Browser, this is how, I don't use it on my phone, but this is how I download, like, free music for my YouTube videos, or I, like, convert it into music. I don't know if that makes sense, but if you want to know more about that, just let me know. Friendo, so this is a game you can play with your friends, even though I literally haven't played it. It's been like a month. But, you can literally just, like, ask your friends, like, questions. It gives you categories. It's actually pretty fun. Oh, and that is it. Wow, that was really fast. Okay, so then we got my music. I'll show you what my playlist is right now if y'all want to know. So here it is. Got a little bit of variety. There's not that much on there, but yeah. That's my music, my messages. What's on Safari? Oh, I was looking up my basketball team. And yeah, so that's pretty much all that's on my phone. Hopefully you guys find that somewhat interesting. Hopefully I gave you some more, like, ideas for apps if you were, like, literally wondering. I think there's a couple things in there that not everybody knows about, but yeah. So if you like this video, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe below, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!